How to mute audio video on Inshot. So if you want to mute video sound on your Inshot, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Inshot. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Search for Inshot. Now you can go with video, and you can also go with an existing video or a new video. After selecting it, you need to tap on that video. After tapping, you will have the sound option, right? You need to go with sound, and under sound here you will have music. You can turn off the music, or if you want to mute that video, but if you don't find it right here, then you can just simply select your video and then swipe. After swiping, you will have the volume option. So you need to tap on the volume, and once you tap on it, you can turn that off or you can turn it on. You can do anything. So that's how you can mute your audio. You can go with 0, or here on the left side you will have the speaker icon. You can tap on the speaker, which will mute your audio. So that's it. That's how you can mute your audio on your video on Inshot. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.